Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with another video. So I have a beautiful guest once again. This is my mom, and she is going to be my model for today. So we're going to be installing this body wave wig from luvmehair, and we're going to add some highlights, some frame facing highlights, and I'm also going to just show you how the wig comes by itself. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So of course we're going to be starting out with the ball cap method to give that scalpy look, and I'm just going to cut out some ear holes for her ears. I always use Got2b spray for my ball caps, but also include one layer of glue if you want it to last a little bit longer. So that's the method that I usually go for. Once it's completely dry, I just like to cut the cap off, and I did sew the back down so that it wouldn't come up. But if you guys seen any of my other videos, I explained this 20 million times, so you guys get the gist. But we're just gonna cut the cap off, and the good thing is it's flexible to pull up until you get to the glue part, so you really want to make sure that glue is in the area where you want the cap to end. So yeah, we're just gonna gotta do that and speed on through this. Here you just see me matching up her skin tone. A trick that I like to use is if you have foundation, sometimes if it needs to be darker, just add a little bit of eyeshadow. So I have like an eyeshadow palette that I use to kind of mix in, and it creates a pigment that you need for you know, the correct color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this makeup and really help her to look bald. So the cap size for this wig was a little bit on the smaller side, so just be mindful of that. My mother-in-law's head isn't big, and it was fitting a little bit snug, but we got it to work. I'm just going to be applying 3 layers of the Erica J's glue, the watermelon flavor. This smells absolutely amazing, and I just make sure that each layer dries before I go ahead and add another layer. But make sure you smooth out each layer so the glue isn't like clumpy laying on there. You want it to be very smooth and evenly distributed, so I just use the back of the comb to do this process. So here's the part I was showing you guys where we were trying to tug that wig down so that way we could fit it on her head, and it ended up working out for us. So I'm just going to comb the lace into the glue to really get that adhesive base and everything. So that's what we're doing right now. Once I comb the lace into the glue, I just go ahead and put the elastic band on to really let that set in place, usually about 20 minutes, and you can use the blow dryer on it or go sit under the dryer if you want to. After it dries, I like to go in with a layer of Got2b spray, and I find that this really locks in that that glue, and I'm just going to put the elastic band right back on. After that has dried, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting off the lace, and I just like to use some scissors or a razor and cut in a zigzag motion. And then I don't have a clip of me doing it, but after I cut off all the lace, I just spray it back down with some Got2b spray for the pieces that may have not got enough adhesive on it, and put the elastic band right back on. Now I'm just going to be hot combing the roots to really get that natural looking style, because you don't want no bulky roots, and you have to hot comb in sections for this to look flat. So I like to use a combination of the wax stick and Got2b spray that creates like a flexible hold and really gets the wig flat, in my opinion. I really wanted to go for a natural look at first. The baby hair look is natural, but I wanted to do no baby hairs at first and show you what that looks like. And this wig is really, really pretty. Like, the hair is super soft, it's full, like the wig is not thin at all. And the length is really nice, and I'm just overall really happy. Like, this is giving her real hair, is giving like she just got a silk press, and I really am impressed with it. So we're just gonna throw in like some effortless curls with my curling iron, and I just want to show you how nice this wig curls. It's super pretty and really love it. So I just wanted to show you guys like a very natural styling, because not everybody, you know, wants baby hairs. Some people just want it to look very simple, and this is a look that, you know, is giving natural. I really love how the wig looks just as it comes like this. But I want to also show you how I put in like some frame facing highlights, and quick and easy that anyone can do. So I just started by sectioning out some hair for the baby hairs, and I wanted to pluck a little bit to thin out that section and make it look a little bit more scalpy. So to add the frame facing highlights, I'm just going to use a purple pack of hair in the color 27, or you could even use leftover bundles or whatever you have. You just need that and some hair glue. We're not doing anything too dramatic, so just literally part out a section of the wig, and I just glued 2 tracks on each side. Now I'm just going to be curling the wig once again to restyle it for the finished look. Taking down curls are so satisfying after they have had time to sit. Do y'all see how pretty this hair curls? Like, it's so nice. And with these frame facing highlights, it just gives it that extra spice, especially for the fall time or really any season. But really love how this turned out, and it was super easy. Anyone can do it. I am in love. So if you like this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And also leave me a comment down below letting me know of video ideas. I've been getting a few of them, and I definitely am going to be trying them out, so keep them coming. And lastly, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button, so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.